Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to generate donut charts in KNIME. So for this, we will go in the KNIME Analytics platform. I'll activate input output from here. In this, I'll activate read and CSV reader. Now, this CSV reader, I'll double click on it so that I can browse my dataset which is in CSV format. I'll connect Heart1, open, press OK, right click on it and execute. Now the node will turn green. As soon as the node turns green, we are in the position to extract the information from this node. Right click on it and see the file table. So we are having the variable as age, gender, chest pain type, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, fasting blood sugar, resting ECG, maximum hours of exercise, exercise angina, old pig, ST slope, and heart disease. Now to generate the donut charts, I'll have to activate pie chart. Yes, you have heard it right. To make the donut charts, I will have to activate the pie chart. Right click on it, configure. Make sure generate image is on and go in generate plot options and make sure that you click on this plot donut chart. Plot donut chart. And you can keep the gender name inside the donut chart. Click on options and activate gender here. Press apply, click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again right click on it and see the pie chart image, and you can see that gender is represented in between, and these are the counts that how many males are there and how many females are there. Now if I want the same thing in percentage, again I'll right click on it, configure. I'll go and generate plot options and activate the percentage here. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now again see the pie chart image and you will get the percentage. So this is the way you can generate the donut charts in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on KNIME.